M is for monkey. M, m, m. Monkey. Monkey. Can you say it too? Which letter says M? You're right. Now let's write and say M, 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 M. Monkey.